episode of the Nurses Heartbeat. My name is Philip and I am a nurse. In this episode, I am exploring postgraduate courses that is available here in the UK. So if you are a nurse or a midwife that you are thinking of taking your nursing career to the next level, then this is for you. If you are also a graduate in any other field and you want to switch into nursing, then this is for you because I'm going to explore various ways that you can also enter into the nursing profession. Before I dive into the various postgraduate courses available, I want to let you know why it is important to take a postgraduate course. So it's really helpful if you want to take any advanced clinical position, if you want to take leadership position, managerial role, if you are interested in research and education or teaching, then taking these programs is very helpful for you. Now let's break it down, the various postgraduate courses that we have here in the UK. So the first one for nurses and for midwives and for people that want to switch into this field is the MSc in nursing. So this is normally 1 to 2 year program, depending on what you want to do, whether it is full-time or it is part-time. It's 1 to 2 year program that is going to help you to meet these needs. And there are various categories that you can also look at when considering applying for this postgraduate course, and then it will earn you your master's degree. So one of the categories is the adult nursing. So MSc in adult nursing is one of the ways that you can apply for this MSc program. You can also apply for MSc in mental health. That is also good. And then MSc in public health. That is also very nice for you as well if you want. And then you can also do MSc in midwifery if you are a midwife. All these are roles for you. And then I forget, you can also do MSc in medical and healthcare education. That is, if you are passionate about teaching, you can also explore that. So that is the first category I am talking about. And the second thing that you also have to know, the second postgraduate programs, is the postgraduate diploma and the postgraduate certificates, what we call the PGDip and the PGCert programs. So these are usually shorter courses. So it is 6 months to 1 year courses that really helps you if you want to specialize into any field. It's going to help you to achieve that. So let's say you want to do programs like postgraduate public health. You are a nurse already and you want to dive into public health, you want to take a role in public health, then you can do the postgraduate diploma or postgraduate certificate, and it will open those doors for you. So programs that you can pursue under the PGDip or PG certificates is the postgraduate in public health, as I have said, PGDip public health. You can do postgraduate diploma in health simulation. You can do postgraduate diploma in teaching as well, in medical education, among other courses that you can pursue. And this takes you to various specialties that you want to take your role into. Yeah, so when you go into nhs.track.jobs and then you are looking for a new role that goes into specialty, most of them you will check their essential qualifications that they need, and they will mention that you will need a PGCert or postgraduate diploma in that field. So whether it is teaching, you want to go into clinical facilitation, whether it is public health and you are a nurse, you are interested. Sometimes it is about vaccination and immunization, that is so public health, and then you need this postgraduate certificate. So they are short courses that really helps to take into that specialty group. The third route that you can use is the pre-registration MSc certificate. So this is for people that are not nurses, that are not midwives, but they have other BSc degrees or any other degree at all, and they want to switch into the nursing field. There are so many universities here that gives that opportunity for you to apply and become nurses. So you will also be applying to do your masters. So MSc, whether it is in adult nursing or mental health or public health, then you can do it and then you become registered. In my experience as a nurse here in the UK, I have met a lot of people that they may be economics background, business background, human resource management background, and various backgrounds, IT and all of that, and they have applied into nursing here in the UK. So usually they are doing 2 years postgraduate master's program in the nursing field, and then they get registered, they become nurses. So there are so many international um, people people from overseas that they come into the UK and they feel that the nursing is a very good route that they want to enter, and then they switch their certificates into the nursing by taking this postgraduate program. It is a sure route for you to also get into nursing. So it doesn't matter whether you didn't go into nursing or you pursue different program here in the UK, you still have the opportunity to do your masters in nursing and then you come into the nursing. From my personal experience with the people that I have interacted with, it's usually 2 years master's program in the nursing, and they will offer you the academic skills and the clinical skills. They give you placements that you'll be able to build the skills that you need as a nurse to practice. So that is the third route that I am talking about. There are things that you have to know, you have to consider before taking into any program, and one of the things is check for accreditation. So because it is a health program, whether you are entering into nursing or the midwifery, most of these programs are accredited by the Nursing and the Midwifery Council, the NMC. So if you are taking this program in this health related field, one, check the accreditation. So when you go to the universities, you go to their website, you will have all the information about it, whether it is accredited by the Nursing and Midwifery Council. It will state it without hiding it. So make sure it is accredited, especially if your postgraduate course you are pursuing leads into registration or having a license. There is no program here in the UK that you will pursue and become a nurse without having been accredited by the Nursing and Midwifery Council. So make sure your course, your program is accredited. That is very important. And the second thing that you have to check is the flexibility of the program. So what is your choice about the program? Are you looking for a full-time program? Are you looking for part-time program, or you are looking for online program? You have to check that and then choose the course that fits you. As I said, most of the courses full-time might be 1 year, part-time or online might be 2 years. So the choice you are making also affects the duration of the program. But depending on the work you are doing and your availability, make sure you choose that. And then the next thing that you need to take account of is the placement. Because if you take here, I am here in Manchester. So if you want to pursue any school here in Manchester, what I have learned from most students is that you'll be placed eh, at where it is nearer to you or it is nearer to the school. Which one is better for you? That is what they do. So most of the schools in Manchester, you'll be placed in Manchester area. Yeah, so you make sure that the placement is also helpful. Go through the school and then know how their placement is. There are some schools that, let's assume you are here in the Manchester and you choose a school that is South London. There are schools that have specific places that they place the student, specific hospitals they place the student for this clinical skills. Yeah, so where your area is, they don't have these hospitals that they link with them for placement. It could be a big problem. So check with the placement options available for the school as well. These three things are very important to consider. And then, if possible, you could also check for funding. People that have stayed in the UK for a couple of years can access funding as well for the school. So you check their sites, and if there are any scholarship opportunities available to, you'll be able to have all those information. So this is all that you need to know about the postgraduate courses. If you have any specific question, or if you want to get a specific school, if you need any help with the application into any of the postgraduate courses, just send your question in the comment, yeah, and then I'll be able to give you specific guidance to specific schools that you want to apply. Don't forget to like and hit the notification button and subscribe, so that the next video you'll be able to see what we are doing. I'm going to bring you a lot of pathways for you as a nurse or a midwife to pursue. Thank you. We'll see you again. Remember, every heartbeat matters.